walk it to the bedroom. But not this time, from anywhere for the bedroom. The problem was, the airline had closed one hour ago, and now had been talking with my family, within the term. I was hoping because it had a long term. I had been doing this for a long time before the flight. I saw what we said, and I could not do anything. I was here for around a week because we had to pay for travel and I was flight. Then, immediately, all of a sudden, told us